Get ready to be amazed by the jaw-dropping advancements in AI revealed in Stanford's 2024 AI Index Report, as AI is changing our world in ways you won't believe. The 2024 AI Index Report from Stanford University offers a thorough and intricate analysis of current AI trends, highlighting its substantial and growing influence on different facets of society. What you'll see in this video is a comprehensive examination of AI's transformative power, backed by data and insights in this groundbreaking report. We'll explore everything from the increasing number of machine learning models to the growing presence of open-source AI, delving into the financial implications of AI training and the ever-evolving capabilities of AI systems. Whether you're a policymaker, researcher, executive, journalist, or just curious about the future of AI, this video will provide you with a detailed understanding of how artificial intelligence is reshaping our world. So let's jump right into some of the main aspects of the report. AI's growing effect on society is attractive in today's rapidly changing world, as it is integrated into healthcare, education, economics, and entertainment. How is AI revolutionizing various sectors, and what instances show its productivity and innovation power? AI transforms sectors by increasing productivity and innovation, according to the paper. What are the ethical and social consequences of fast AI adoption? AI's moral and social ramifications, including prejudice, privacy, and employment, are discussed. Then, the report emphasizes AI policymaking with informed thought. Why must politicians follow AI developments? The AI Index study provides a comprehensive examination of AI trends and advancements, making it a valuable resource for policymakers setting protocols to encourage responsible and beneficial AI use. It underlines the need for business, academic, and government cooperation to address AI's obstacles and embrace its prospects. What can the report tell us about AI's current and future state? It can shed light on AI's current and future. This site contains a wealth of knowledge for anyone interested in AI and its impact on society. The analysis shows that the industry dominates cutting-edge AI research. How do private enterprises develop AI compared to academics, according to the report? In 2023, industry developed 51 noteworthy machine learning models, exceeding academia's 15 models. Private AI development businesses dominate the sector because of their extensive resources and investments, allowing them to drive research and application. How does industry-academia partnership develop AI? This issue is noteworthy since industry-academia cooperation is developing many machine learning models. A record 21 vehicles came from these agreements in 2023. These alliances combine excellent research, theoretical understanding, practical expertise, sophisticated technology infrastructure, and considerable finance from academia and business. According to the survey, private enterprises lead in AI model complexity and effect as well as quantity. Due to their significant financial investments and powerful computing resources, these firms lead. How are tech businesses leading AI innovation? To stay ahead in AI innovation, major technology businesses are investing in cutting-edge AI research centers and hiring top talent from around the world. According to the report, private sector AI research may be problematic. What issues come from AI development concentrated in a few big corporations? Technology is constantly changing, and a few strong businesses may hold too much power and influence, resulting in an imbalance in the distribution of benefits and control over breakthrough AI technologies. What does this discrepancy mean for accessibility, fairness, and society? These advancements compel us to evaluate AI's consequences on accessibility, justice, and culture. The paper implies that government involvement in AI development would be advantageous. Why is government engagement essential for AI development to meet public and ethical standards? Even while private enterprises have made great strides, the study stresses the need for government intervention to guarantee AI research meets public interest and moral norms. Government programs and funding help keep the landscape balanced. They encourage public benefit innovation and address prejudice, privacy, and accountability. The paper analyzes AI research and shows the industry's effect. Equal contributions from academia, business, and government are stressed to enable fair and responsible AI technology development. The research shows a tremendous increase in open-source AI model production and dissemination, indicating a significant AI shift. How does the rise of open-source AI models affect AI? About 65% of the 149 foundation models published in 2023 were open source. This was up from 44% last year and 33% in 2021. How is open source creating AI innovation and advanced technology access? This trend shows the open source community's growing role in AI creation and advanced technology access. Open source AI models are transforming global information sharing by academics, developers, and companies. Open source systems enable many people to improve and extend models. What benefits does this collaborative approach give smaller businesses and developers? Collaboration promotes innovation, making AI systems more durable and flexible. Working together makes AI accessible to smaller enterprises and individual developers, leveling the playing field and giving them access to sophisticated technologies that would otherwise be too expensive and resource-intensive. Growth is accelerated in open-source models. The research notes that GPT-4 and Gemini, state-of-the-art AI models, remain closed source. Why do leading tech corporations keep their cutting-edge AI models closed source? Excessive models from leading IT firms often include cutting-edge features and performance requirements that set them apart from open-source counterparts. These closed-source models lack public algorithms, training data, and approaches. What impact does closed-source model transparency have on AI? Lack of openness prevents the public from understanding, duplicating, and building on these advances. These high-quality models are usually closed-source due to competitive and strategic concerns. Company resources are invested in these models to protect intellectual property and remain ahead in the market. Advanced AI technology may be abused if it were widely accessible without protections. The paper vividly describes the significant financial inputs required to train sophisticated AI models and the advances gained in cost efficiency. What does the study say regarding GPT-4 and Gemini Ultra training cost? Training for GPT-4 costs $78 million, which is considerable. When compared to Gemini Ultra's $191 million training cost, GPT-4 was very efficient. How can these expenses show cost-effective AI training advances? The comparison shows how AI training approaches have become cheaper and more efficient. The decreased training cost of GPT-4 indicates AI progress. It first shows how training algorithms have improved and how NVIDIA processors designed for AI training computations are used smartly. Thanks to these advances, training complex models is cheaper. The report also examines AI R&D's economic effects. What are the financial impact of high AI training and development cost? Training these models costs money, which corporations and research organizations must consider as they investigate AI.